Hello, everybody. Tony Winston here for Jazz Piano College, and I'm going to cover another Christmas song today. Winter Wonderland, words and music by Felix Bernard and Dick Smith. Never heard of them. Okay, I got sheet music here. I'm just going to play the sheet music first, then we're going to reharmonize it a little bit and see what we can do with it. All right, pretty good sight reading there, Tony. Now, there are some really good things about this arrangement. In the bridge, these thirds, and those nice little counter melodies there. And then in B flat. Okay, but there are some weak points here too, especially on this A Beautiful Sight, We're Happy Tonight. I mean, there's lots of ways to reharmonize that. The way I always did it was a beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. I think there's some other ways you could do that too. Let's see. Yeah, like that. So, we're in E flat, and I don't know where I got this cool arrangement from way long time ago. Kind of go like this. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, the snow is glistening. A beautiful sight. We're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. Okay, so what did I do here? I went to, talked about this, I think, pretty recently. If you take a substitute for the one chord, that's all the way up here on the tritone, and it's not a tritone substitution, but it's A minor 7 flat 5. You see, it's got some of the notes from E flat 6th, but it's just got this A here. And it's not like every time you get to the one chord you could use this chord, but in certain spots it works pretty well. And here it's not even really a substitution because what's the chord there? It's like B flat or something. So we're going to go. It could be the minor 7 flat 5. It could just be an A minor too. And then G minor, that's the 3 chord. There's like kind of a altered 6 chord, and then the 2 chord is going to be dominant, and this is the way it is in the chart, but we could add that 13 if you want. Or something like that. So there's the move, that move works all the time. That's the blues move. You go to the 4 chord, and then, whatever, major, minor, dominant, whatever. Now another way of, there it is. using tritone substitution, you can just go chromatically straight down, see? Though I'll say this last one, because of that, would probably be better if you just went to the 5 chord. All right. And then you could, at the end of the second A section, go to that substitute for E flat, maybe. Or hit the E flat first and then go A, D, and right into G. Okay, so anyway, we get to with our G, and you could put those 3, 6, 2, 5 ones in very easily there. Now we're going to B flat, so a 2, 5, 1 will work great. And you could do the move right there on B flat. E flat, dominant, and then, just follow the cycle of fifths until you get to C. There's no melody there, but, even with the melody up there, it works pretty nice, that tritone sub. I'll do it like this. And, you can also do like, anytime you do the move, you can also do like this kind of, the 1, the 2, the 3, they call that diatonic chords or scale tone 7th chords, a major 7th, a minor 7th, a minor 7th. Let's see if that works. Now, another way I do it sometimes is go B flat, down to A flat, and then the G. Or you could even just go like that. That's a nice 11th chord there, see? B flat, A flat over B flat. Okay, what was that little ending there? It was a tag ending, right? Walking in a winter wonderland. It hit it like a sharp 9th chord with a sharp 11th on it there, something like that. All right, and E flat is what you expect. Let's do, it's not a tritone sub, but it is a tritone away, the minor 7 flat 5 chord. All right, instead of E flat, we just go to A minor 7 flat 5. And then, you go down chromatically, and since that is cycle of fifths, you can always go like this. A billion possibilities there. Not a million, a billion possibilities there. Let me see if I can think of a good one here. How about that? All right, thanks everyone, and thank you especially to my folks over there on Patreon. You folks are incredible. And anybody who would like to help support the channel, that's a great place to do it. You can sign up for as little as $1 a month. And also, I have a PayPal link there if you want to make a contribution. But I'm just happy to see you all and hope everybody's doing well out there this December 2020. I hope everybody has nice holidays. And as always, keep the requests coming. I didn't even think about doing Christmas songs until somebody suggested it. And so here I've done about 5 or 6 of them. All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.